Okay, in this question is a speed question, and you can see that I intentionally circle and highlight, underline those different names and information and keywords. Yeah, so this is easier for the eyes. As you can see, when you look at my question, it's a bit different, and your eyes directly zoom into those information that I have specially highlighted. Okay, so at 7:30 a.m. Okay, let me compare with the distance timeline that I have drawn, because I think that just like model drawing, you'll need to do the proper distance timeline. Okay, so at 7:30 a.m. Kimberly left P to Q, so you put a K here. So in fact, um, you have to point the arrow from P to Q to show that uh, K is traveling from P to Q at 75 km per hour. So all this information must be included inside. So half an hour later, Brian left. Okay, Brian left. So 8 a.m. Brian left at an unknown speed. Okay, so I put a question mark here. So next one, at 10:30, both of them passed a post office which was 150 km away from Q. So meaning that they meet here. Yeah. So as you can see, all the information that I have found here are inside this distance timeline, and this is how complete your distance timeline should be. So again, remember our little triangle, distance over speed times time. Yeah, so again, because okay, now they want to know at what time did Brian reach town Q. Okay, so in a sense, to find the time, we need distance, which is unknown, and we need the distance, which is unknown. Okay, ignore this one because this is found later. We don't have distance and we don't have the speed, so we need to find these two first. So even before we can find this one, we need to find this. Okay, so how to find this one? Can you see that from here to here I have time, which is 3 hours, and I have speed of k. So with time of k and speed of k given, I can find the distance traveled by k, which is speed of k 75 times 3 hours, which is 10:30 minus of 7:30, which is 3 hours. Okay, so which is 225 km. Then I can insert into here. Okay, so next, to find the, just now remember we were saying to find time traveled by B, we need the distance and then the speed. So we have the distance now, which is 225 plus 150, which is here. Okay, and then we need to find the speed. While we don't have the entire time traveled by B, but we have this segment. So we have time, which is 10:30 minus of 8 o'clock, which is 2.5. Okay, let's see. Is it 2.5 hour? Yes, 2.5 hour. Yeah, for a moment I'm a bit lost. Yeah, so 2.5 hour. Then after that, we have the distance. So distance divided by the time traveled by B, which is here, will give you the speed. Yeah, so now to find the time travel from here to here, we have the entire distance. We have this speed of B, which is 90. Can we find the time? So is distance over speed, which is 375 over 19, which is 4 and 1/6 hour. And you need to give it in terms of hours and minutes because you need to find what time, right? So which is 4 hours and 10 minutes. So time reached by B at Q is 4 hours and 10 minutes plus not 7:30, is plus 8. So we have 8 o'clock plus 4 hours 10 minutes, which is 12:10 p.m. and this is the answer.